Hi, good morning, Water Ninja Bunnies. I'm going to read you a story today. I hope you enjoy it. It's called B is for Bulldozer, a construction site, ABC. It's by June Sobel and illustrated by Melissa Iway. Do you see the asphalt for paving the road? Or the big shiny bulldozer pushing a load? I see a crane way up in the sky and a rusty red dump truck rumbling by. Here comes an excavator to dig a big hole. Nearby, a forklift's hauling a pole. Look for the grader on the roadbed and a man with a hard hat protecting his head. Let's count the men with hard hats. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 men with hard hats. I spy an I-beam made of steel and a jackhammer making a noise you can feel. Hear the kaboom? What a loud sound. Look, that huge loader scoops dirt from the ground. Watch people swing mallets at a swift pace, pouring nails to hold parts in their place. The mallets are the big hammers that they're swinging. Let's find the operator that can at the controls, guiding the pipes into the holes. The operator's this person down here inside. That's the operator. He's making the machine move. The welders won't quit till the metal is bent and the new safety rails are in place in the cement. See the scaffold come down before your eyes while workers pack up their tools and supplies. Scaffold is like these metal rods that are up against buildings. A lot of times you'll see it when they're doing construction. You'll see all these metal, they look like big ladders. They are big ladders, see right here, with wooden planks. The underpass barrier is taken away. Now visitors enter its opening day. The construction work is finally done. Our excitement grows. We're ready for fun. For more than a year, we've watched the park bloom. Now, hold tight. Here we go. Get set to zoom. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. Miss you all. Hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye.